Learn English the fun, easy, and smart way by watching videos with Lyngo. Choose a show you like, then either download it to watch offline or stream it immediately. You'll get helpful subtitles in English and Chinese. Tap anywhere on the screen to play or pause the video, and just tap a word to learn it. You'll see it translated and used in context. You can save a word with a tap to easily practice or review it later. Lyngo puts entertainment, learning, and studying all in one app, so there's no need to switch apps. To study a sentence, tap the loop button to repeat it. This makes it easy to focus on how the words go together. You can move through a video one sentence at a time with the arrows, taking as much time as you need on each one. You can save sentences for later, too. And you can even have your phone read the sentence to you if you're having trouble understanding it.
I still don't get it.
Tap the button again for a slower version.
I still don't get it.
We store your saved words and sentences in favorites. Tap one to see its video clip, and tap Watch Full Video to jump right back into the show.
We have a new pet. Can you guess what it is?
The search button lets you learn any word in context. Tap a video to see examples of different ways the word can be used. To keep track of your progress, tap Me. This is where you can see statistics about your studying, which days you've spent the most time learning, and a full history of all the words and sentences you've reviewed. Lyngo is an immersive, engaging, and personalized English learning experience. Try it today.